Feeling a little blah today, maybe even a little meh. Don't worry, we've all been there. Let me tell you a secret. One of the fastest way to feel better is to cheer someone else up. Sounds simple, right? But no, it works like, I'll tell you, magic. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You know, Mark Twain, that wise, witty old soul, said, the best way to cheer yourself is to try to cheer someone else up. So let's try it right now, shall we? Think of one person you haven't spoken to in a while. Got someone in mind? Now pause this video for just 10 seconds and send them a quick text. Hey, just thought of you and hope you're smiling today. Go on, I'll wait. See? That felt good, didn't it? You know, I remember one day when I was feeling completely drained. Long day, nothing seemed to be going right. Then out of the blue, I saw this little kid outside a cafe trying to tie his shoelaces and failing adorably. I went towards him. I bent down and helped him out. And he gave me the biggest smile. You know, it completely flipped my mood. That one tiny connection reminded me that sometimes our own happiness lives in someone else's smile. So the next time your day feels heavy, don't overthink it. Just do something small and kind. Compliment someone. Call an old friend. Leave a sticky note with a smiley face on someone's desk. Because when you lift someone up, guess who else rises? You. If this video gave you a smile, pass it on. And let's keep this ripple of joy going. Because cheering someone else up might just be the best thing you do for yourself today. I believe in you. I love you. Till next time, keep smiling.